Hi friends, this is Vivek from Gadget Guide. In today's video, I got hands-on BlackBerry latest smartphone BlackBerry Passport. BlackBerry launched the device in India at an initial price tag of ₹49,990, and it is available exclusively through Amazon India. And customers, those who pre-book it, will get a Amazon gift card of ₹5,000, and it can be redeemed on Amazon India anytime. Apart from these frequent flyers with Jet Airways also receive 5,000 complimentary miles in their existing JP account. And it will go on sale from today, that is September 29th. It features 4.5-inch SD display with a resolution of 1440 by 1440 pixels. It has a pixel density of 453. The skin is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 3. It is the first smartphone which comes with QWERTY Touch keyboard, and the purpose to build this is for productive-driven business professionals who want a smartphone that empowers them with the mobile tools they need to get things done without sacrifice style or portability. The large screen is optimized for viewing and creating content and will make everyday tasks like reading and writing emails, reviewing and editing documents, web browsing, map navigation, and more comfortable, effortless. The BlackBerry Passport includes the industry-first touch-enabled keyboard with gestures that make typing, editing, viewing, and navigating more efficiently and accurate. BlackBerry physical QWERTY keyboards have always made it easier for users to create polished professional communication with exceptional accuracy. BlackBerry Passport new QWERTY keyboard is almost 4 times more accurate than BlackBerry 10 virtual keyboards. The error is on average 74% lower. So the fewer typos to get in the way of what you are trying to say. As already mentioned, it comes with preloaded with new productive enhancing features including BlackBerry Blend with BlackBerry Assistant, as well as BlackBerry World Storefront and Amazon App Store, which offers access to very best apps for the work and play. On the front, it features 2-megapixel camera, which is capable of recording HD videos, speaker with earpiece in which a microphone is built in, which provides a clear call quality. QWERTY keyboard, and below the skin, the call function and camera button sits below. On the right hand side, there is a volume rocker button with a mute button sits between it, which can be used for assistant. On the left hand side, there are no physical button. At the top, it has a 3.5mm audio jack and a push button. On removing the push button, it reveals the nano SIM card slot and micro SD card slot. It has a 32GB inbuilt memory. The inbuilt memory can be expanded further up to 128GB by using micro SD card. At the back, it features 13-megapixel camera with optical image stabilization with LED flash. Like every BlackBerry devices, it has a BlackBerry branding with a chrome finish. On the software front, it runs on BlackBerry OS 10.3, and the BlackBerry OS 10.3 comes with Amazon App Store built-in, which allows access to many apps. The notification toggle panel gives you quick access to settings, rotation, lock, mobile network, airplane mode, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, alarm, notifications, brightness, NFC and device monitor. Clicking on the device monitor reveals the battery uses. As you can see, this clicking on the notification toggle gives you a quick access to settings. And the device is powered by 2.2 GHz quad-core Snapdragon processor and it has 3 GB RAM. And according to these systems, there is no problem in playing high-end games. It is powered by Snapdragon processor. Like every BlackBerry devices, it has swipe gesture driven interface. It packs 3450 mAh battery, which offers 30 hours of uses on heavy uses. The BlackBerry Apart from this, the BlackBerry Guardian scans each app for malware and privacy, so that there is no problem in if you download any apps from Amazon App Store. It comes with connectivity features like NFC, Miracast, 3G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. At a first glance, the phone looks pretty good and well built, and I like the build quality of the device. But at a price tag of rupees nearly 50,000, it doesn't look that it is it works well in India. But I really like this device. Do share your views with us. This is your host Vivek signing off. Thanks for watching this video. Do not forget to share this video with your friends.